Now students, I am taking next para number first, page number 125. In this page, what is here? And what was the great stone face? Here question is arising, what was the great stone face? So we have to find out the answer of this question. The great stone face was a work of nature. Very simple answer is written here. The great stone face was the work of nature. Means this great stone face was framed by the nature. Nature means, just like natural things, rocks, and formed on the perpendicular side of a mountain by some immense rocks. And this figure was formed by the nature, and this figure was perpendicular side of a mountain, means it was a perpendicular side of a mountain by some immense rocks. Means what was there were the some immense means very big rocks which were settled here perpendicularly, means in topmost. There is here from bottom till top. When viewed at a proper distance, when we looked at them from the proper distance, they resembled the features of a human face. They had the features of a human face. Means these rocks were appearing as the face, as the feature of the human face. If the spectator approached too near, he lost the outline of the enormous face and could see only a heap of gigantic rocks. Students, as soon as the spectator reached too near the mountain, he lost the outlines of the enormous face. Means what was the enormous face was appearing from the far off distance, lost. And what was appearing there? Piled one upon together. And it was appearing here that rocks were keeping one upon another. But seen from a distance, the clouds clustering about it. While we looked at this mountain rock from the distance, these were appearing like a cluster of the mountains, cluster of the clouds. Like this it is appearing here. And this is also clustering means collecting. The great stone face seemed positively to be live. Means while we looked at from the distance, the great stone face appeared positively alive. Alive means, having a life. It was the belief of many people that the valley owed much of its fertility to the benign face that was continually beaming over it. And many of the people, those who were living in that valley, were believing that this was the kind and gentle behavior. Whatever fertility is present in that valley, it is because of the great stone face. Students, I am taking next one also. A mother and her little boy, as we said earlier, sat at the door of their cottage. This mother and the little boy, both were, just like we had discussed here in the beginning, same thing is here. The mother and the little boy was sitting at door of their cottage, and they were gazing at the great stone face and talking about it. They were looking at the great stone face and they were talking about it. The child's name was Ernest. You know what was the name of the child? The child's name was the Ernest. This little small boy who is sitting here, his name was Ernest. Number next para, mother said, he while the great face smiled on him. Mother also said to him that while the great stone face smiled on him, I wish that it could speak. And it was the wish of her that the great stone face surely could speak. For it looks so very kindly, and it was looking very kind, that its voice must indeed be pleasant. And while they were heard the voice of the great stone face, surely it will be very pleasant. If I ever see a man with such a face, I should love him very much. And this was the instruction of my mother, that if I would see such a man with such a face, I had means he should love him very much. Means it was the instruction of mother to understand that while he met with the man with such a face, he had to love him very much. Students, I am taking today till here only, and tomorrow, means in next lecture, we will start next paras also. Till then, you have to write the hard words of this page, both pages, and meanings given, which are given here in a notebook. And we will meet you next lecture. Till then, goodbye.